finished. Quick, before I forget it. Pencil and paper. Hurry, please. Ready?
Yes, all ready, Grandfather.
How calmly does the olive branch observe the sky begin to blanch, without a cry, without a prayer, with no betrayal of despair. Sometime, while night obscures the tree, the zenith of its life will be gone past forever, and from thence a second history will commence, a chronicle no longer gold, a bargaining with mist and mold, and finally the broken stem, the plummeting to earth, and then an intercourse not well designed for beings of a golden kind, whose native green must arch above the earth's obscene, corrupting love. And still the ripe fruit and the branch observe the sky begin to blanch, without a cry, without a prayer, with no betrayal of despair. Oh, courage! Could you not as well select a second place to dwell, not only in that golden tree, but in the frightened heart of me? Have you got that, Hannah?
Yes, Grandfather.
All of it?
Every word.
And it's finished?
Yes.
Finally finished?
Yes, finally finished.
And it's good?
Beautiful.
Is it good?
Beautiful, Grandfather. Oh, Grandfather, I'm so happy for you. Thank you for writing such a lovely poem. It's worth the long wait. Can you sleep a little now? I'll fetch your shawl.
I'd like to pray now.
Anthony, is
Yes,
Betty?
how are you? Thank you. Amazing. I love it. Thank you so much. Hi guys, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Amazing. Beautiful.
$5. I do not want you dancing to my music.
More music!
One of our sons to know the young girls can be like you. Muchachos, vengan a sacar esta pista de aquí. Échenla afuera.
Podemos decir que hicimos dentro.